Good morning to dear students. Today we will read the first chapter of English Reader where we left the chapter. From this paragraph we will start. On Sunday, they painted all the benches in the park. On Sunday means the second day of the weekend. They painted the benches on the park because all the benches are old and it is not looking good. So they painted all the benches. Partha told his team, we put up notice that say wet paint next to the benches. Okay. Partha told his team that we will set a notice, okay, beside the benches that will say wet paint. Means wet paint means गीला paint. Okay, paint सूखा नहीं है. Okay. By evening, everyone was tired. Partha asked his team to rest before they all went home. Okay, by evening everyone was very tired because from Saturday to Sunday they are working and so many things they do. So they are all tired. So Partha told his team that please you just rest. After that you will go to your home. So they sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. So they sat on a bench. All of the team members with Partha sat on the bench and they enjoyed the tea and snacks. They look around and felt happy. Okay, when they are sitting and drinking the tea and eating the snacks, they felt very happy looking around the park. Okay, the park looked new. The park looked new because all the dirty things are gone out. All the very clean, everything is looking very new. That's why it is looking new, the park. But when they stood up, their backs were covered in paint. Okay, but when they stood up, जब वो खड़े हुए, okay, stood up means जब वो खड़े हुए, then the back was what? Then the back was with paint because when in that bench where they sat at that bench is not yet dry. Okay, अभी तक वो पेंट सूखा नहीं था. Oh no, said Partho. We should have put up the wet paint notice before we sat down. Okay, Partho said to these team members that we should what? We should first put up the notice before sitting on the benches. But they already sat and the paint on the benches covered with their backs. Everyone laughed. सब लोग हंसे बहुत जोर से. Okay. So this is the chapter of Partho. From this chapter you study that Partho is a park keeper. Okay, who love his job, who did so many things to clean his park. Okay, only 2 days of the whole year they got the weekend. Okay, and on that 2 days they do the cleaning thing in the park. Okay.